So the Victorian Ports Marine Surveillance Program has been established to provide an early warning of marine pest incursions into commercial ports in Victoria. So it's a collaboration between Agriculture Victoria, the Port of Melbourne, Victorian Ports Corporation in Melbourne, Deakin University and EnviroDNA. So it's really important to monitor for marine pests in Victorian ports because the Port of Melbourne is Australia's busiest containerised port, and it provides a perfect opportunity to put settlement arrays and use different molecular tools to actually identify new incursions of marine pests.
We know that marine pests are often enter the port via being in a vessel's ballast water or attached directly to the ship's hull. Once they establish themselves in a port, they can be extremely difficult to eradicate.
So we're using a range of different surveillance tools to detect marine pests. So we're using settlement plate arrays, which is an aluminium frame with PVC plates attached to it. And this provides a perfect site for marine pests to settle onto and also grow. We're also collecting plankton samples and water samples to test for eDNA while we're doing it.
We've worked with Agriculture Vic to find appropriate places for the arrays to be housed. We needed to find locations that wouldn't impact on shipping. We also needed to find places that would be easy to access, as the port has a number of tenants and we needed to ensure we didn't impinge on their works.
So we identified the Port of Melbourne as an ideal location for setting up our surveillance program. The program's going to run until mid-2022 within the Port of Melbourne, and then we're going to be rolling it out into an ongoing program. And we've recently rolled the program out to Hastings, Portland and Geelong, so we've now got our commercial ports covered.
Port of Melbourne was excited to work with the Agriculture Vic on this project to ensure that we do detect any early marine pests and they are not able to make our environment their home.